Hi, I'm Xavier.
I'm Gregory. He's the president and I'm the vice head of AISIG. Together with our EXCO committee, we'll be working together with everyone in the CCA to ensure a comfortable pace whilst keeping the interest of y'all. Why is AI and data science important? Well, as more businesses adopt AI into their day-to-day operations, skills and knowledge related to data science will be in high demand. This has led to the creation of AISIG in Ngee Poly. So what is AISIG? Well, it's a special interest group which focuses on exploring new and interesting uses for AI and data science. We hope to develop and grow an interest of AI in Ngee Poly.
In AISIG, you can look forward to events, competitions, and collaborations with other organizations. Within these events, you will have hands-on experience with machine learning and learn from professionals of varying backgrounds. Additionally, we have also partnered with AISG to provide our members with guidance along their journey in data science and career advancements advice. With the wide range of AI applications in different industries, we can be assured that there is a path for everyone. Whether it is building a portfolio, learning more about AI, or just making new friends, I believe AISIG would have what you need.
We have an event coming up where you can learn more about what we do. Scan the QR code and let us help you start your journey in AI and data science. You can visit our Instagram to find out more. See you soon.
Bye!
Bye. Thank you.